laughing at me. Show some respect, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercineka, and I know I've been MIA for the longest time, but anyways, I'm back. So today I'm doing a first impressions, I guess. Today I'm doing a review or a first impression, I guess you can say, of this baby right here. So this is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Pretty much it has the blender, the food processor, juicer, I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and open it, and let's see what's inside. I'm just gonna open it from this way. This was actually a gift from my husband. Like, I know how like a guy or somebody gets you something and says, oh, happy birthday, babe, and then the whole house is gonna use it. I don't know. This was one of my birthday gifts. So for those of you who might be interested in checking it out, okay, we're good. Like, it's a whole lot of stuff. Okay, I think it's safer to put it down like so. Okay. Right now, I really don't understand what I'm seeing, but we'll figure it out. Alright, I'm just gonna put everything on the table, then we'll figure out how or what goes where. So, like, I've wanted this honestly for the longest time, but let's just say I've been too cheap to get it. Dancing on the moon, I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life. So I don't know if you all can see this. I'm just gonna try and figure out what goes where. It's like 3 or 4 of them in here. Okay, can you let mommy talk? And then we'll see. So this is the base. This is the food processor itself. Okay, so this is the food processor. In me, I don't want to read the manual. I'm just trying to wing it basically. Oh, there's a release button for this, and then it goes right in. There was instruction right on this, like on the cover. I just didn't read it. I don't know where this goes. What's this? I don't know. I have to read this, guys. Open your mouth. Alright guys, so this is how everything is looking. After several tries, I was able to figure out what goes where. So pretty much this is the food processor. That's really what I'm into and what I really need right now. And this is the base. So it comes with the food processor itself. Then it comes with another type of blade, and this is for the food processor. So if you can see this is how it's looking. And so you open it, take this out, pop this out, and you can pop that in. Like, how cool is that? So depending on what you want to make and the texture you're looking for, you can pretty much interswitch or change your blade. I just showed you, and this is what maybe you can call, I guess, your regular blade. You can use it for pretty much anything that you know you don't want to use. You can pretty much use it for any other thing that you don't want to use that for, and then you can use it for your margarita if you want to, like your smoothie, like anything. So it goes right on top like so, you know, and it clicks into place. And the good thing about this, which I'm loving right now, they have the handle, and you don't really need to stress yourself, you know, trying to figure out a way to get it open. And right underneath the handle, guys, there's a lock right here, you know, and pretty much it controls it. So that's that. And then the cool thing, which I like, to be honest, is this baby right here. This is the one we used to have for the longest time until it went bad from grinding beans for moi moi so much. If you're a Nigerian or an African watching this and you love moi moi, you don't have to worry. Get this. Like this can blend your beans, like dried beans. It can blend it like to perfect powder. I love making moi moi, and I think that's pretty much what spoiled our last nature. So this right here is going to be my baby. The good thing about these two is you can easily take off the lid, as you can see, and you replace it with a regular lid, and then it turns into a tumbler or a mug, and you can sip from it directly. Like, you can't beat it. And you have two of these. So say for instance you have a friend over, pretty much you guys can match sipping directly from your cup. So that's it, guys. I really don't know what else to say. And if you're wondering if this whole system is worth it, I would say definitely. Like, it's totally worth it. Like, come on, you get like 4 in 1. Say just from the one time that we had this, like, it was such a nice experience, and it made a whole lot of difference. So if you can afford it, if it's something you're looking for, then I would say definitely go for it. You have nothing to lose. So that's it. Don't be like me. Read your instructions. Read like the manual. Use like I'm just Johnson here. Are you laughing at me? Show some respect. Okay. All right, guys. So this is the triad. This is just us trying to see how this system works. So one important thing is the arrow on the lid has to line up with that on the blender. Otherwise, it wouldn't close properly. And if it doesn't close, it's not gonna come on. So I learned that the hard way. So this is the food processor. It comes with different modes. It comes with the dough, the blend, and the crush. So right now for this okra, I'm using the crush mode because that's the texture I was going for. And as you can see, it did an excellent job. Like, you don't have to put in water. You don't have to spend so much time blending or like crushing. It just does the work for you in such a short time. So I decided to go once again because I wanted a smoother texture. I used okra, frozen okra, because that was what I had in the house that, you know, was tough, or at least a little bit tough. So pretty much this is how everything is looking. It did like a really good job, and I just wanted to come on here and show you how it actually works. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I know this video was all over the place because honestly I didn't know what I was doing. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and see ya.